Tired of scrambling to take notes during meetings? Writing minutes got you stressed? What if it could all be done for you effortlessly? With Zoom Docs, powered by AI, that's exactly what happens. Zoom Docs takes the hassle out of meeting notes. The AI companion captures everything for you, summarizing key points, organizing tasks, and even pulling in details from previous meetings. No more struggling to keep up, just focus on what matters. But it doesn't stop there. Zoom Docs is a versatile workspace where you can build wikis, manage projects, and collaborate in real time with your team. It's your one-stop shop for creating, editing, and organizing all your documents with ease. Imagine starting your meeting with a ready-to-go agenda and ending it with a fully summarized document, no extra effort required. Zoom Docs also allows up to 100 users to collaborate simultaneously, making it perfect for teams. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with tools like Zoom Whiteboard and Google Drive, so everything you need is right at your fingertips. Make work easier with Zoom Docs, powered by AI. Want more AI news and tools? Follow Arcitect AI for the latest updates.